How to fix Google Chrome not updating error. 1. Turn off compatibility mode in Chrome properties. 2. Flush DNS cache via IP protocol configuration / flushdns command as admin. Plan B, launch. Clear host cache option at chrome // net internal / hashtag DNS. 3. Clear browsing data and cookies. 4. Terminate every Chrome process. Run these commands as admin, taskkill /imchrome.exe, /ftaskkill /imgoogleupdate.exe, /ftaskkill /imgooglestar.exe, /by status eq running /ftaskkill /imgooglestar.exe, /by status eq unknown /ftaskkill /imgooglestar.exe, /by status eq not responding /f5. Restart Google Update Services, Google Update Services, Gupdate, and Google Update Services, Gupdatem. 6. Update Chrome in Windows Clean Boot. Then, uninstall unnecessary programs using the recommended uninstall tool pro in this video guide. 7. Reset Google Chrome. 8. Troubleshoot internet connection, if possible. 9. Remove and reinstall Chrome. Part 2, fix Google Chrome update failed. On Mac. 1. Uninstall suspicious software. 2. Uninstall and reinstall Chrome for Mac. Part 3, fix. Google Chrome update failed on Android and iPhone. 1. Uninstall Play Store updates. 2. Cancel pending downloads. 3. Clear cache data. 4. Reset network settings. 5. Check and change date and time settings. 6. Force close Google Play Store.